Saw grabbing e-bikes. First time I've seen someone steal a plane. Hello, I'm a bike taxi driver repairing planes. There's a trending event online. 2 Airbus 340 planes from Lithuania were stolen by Iranian agents. It's one thing to steal them, but they even went to Thailand to refuel the planes. And the fuel cost of several million has to be charged to Lithuania. Lithuania isn't even as big as one of our provinces. The whole country only has 8 planes, and they were stolen. This is unacceptable. They just gave up. In a fit of anger, they directly declared national bankruptcy. How that? Doesn't it feel satisfying to hear this? Even I feel satisfied. That little thief got what he deserved. So is this story true or false? I've received private messages from dozens of fans backstage to find the truth. I scoured comment sections of popular videos and finally found some clues. It seems some sensible people, unlike the mindless crowd following the trend, with these clues, I gathered a lot of information online and basically figured out the situation. I can say directly, Iranian agents stealing Lithuanian planes false. So what is the real situation? First we have to start with Iran, the big player in the Middle East. As everyone knows, under the sanctions from the US, it has a significant impact. Buying and importing planes has become a big issue. Anyone who openly sells planes to Iran will definitely face trouble from the US, but Iran's aviation industry needs to develop. The limited planes cannot meet people's needs. Moreover, due to sanctions, the older planes cannot purchase parts, which is also a big problem. So how is this problem solved? Buying openly is not possible. So we employ strategy covert operations by setting up a company in a third country. This company to import and purchase planes from other countries. Once I place the order and make the payment, the plane takes off from the country of origin and flies to the location the company I established in third country, as long as the plane takes off. Then it's easy to handle. I can simply turn off the transponder and divert it to Iran. Isn't that a piece of cake? Alright, this sleight of hand by Iran? We have understood it. Let's return to the event itself. The real incident occurred at the end of February this year. In 2023, several Airbus A340 planes registered in Gambia arrived in Lithuania one after another for aircraft maintenance. 2 A340s successfully applied for a route to Sri Lanka. After entering Iranian airspace, they turned off the ADS-B and transponder. As a result, the plane was spotted in Tehran. So can it go this smoothly every time? Actually, no. There was another A340 that took off with them. But it was caught because it was carrying too many spare parts and couldn't take off. Now everyone should know what's going on, right? This plot wouldn't even be in a TV drama. Why do so many people believe it? More talk, more absurd. Agents directly entered the airport wearing the captain's uniform, boarded the plane, and just took off without doing anything else. Have you ever thought, under what pretext did he apply for refueling? The plane docked. He didn't have a flight plan. So who pushed him out? Most planes are parked at the stands. Pre-departure time, ground staff and a tow truck are needed to push the plane to the taxiway if one skip operations, unless you ascended the throne by yourself. However, the plane's wheels are chalked. To prevent movement of the plane, just imagine an agent happily removing the wheel chocks. None of this makes sense. Drama thrilling. Don't exaggerate too much.